Hey, welcome back. It's Taylor's Kitchen. It's Taylor Cooks yet again. It's a Friday night. We've got pasta. So in the time it takes you to do this and put your pasta in and make it boil, we can organise a really nice Friday treat. So what I've got here, you can see those. There's some king prawns, fresh king prawns, and I'm going to put a little bit of pepper in and a bit of salt in, like this. And I'm going to add a little bit of corn flour, not too much, just a little tiny bit. That's all we need. Well, the main spice for this is the piri-piri seasoning. So this is a Taylor quickie. It's less than 10 minutes. So we've got piri-piri seasoning in there, a couple of spoons, like so. And you've put your pasta on. We're on a countdown of 12 minutes or roundabout, depends on whether it's fresh or not. And all I'm going to do is to mix the piri-piri seasoning into this, and also a little bit of paprika as well. So gonna have paprika in there. Okay, butter in. A little bit of olive oil. So we have our shrimps, prawns, those go in. Okay, just slightly undercook the pasta.
That keep occurring.